In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download or install Cursor AI in VS Code. By the end, you'll have the Cursor AI extension added to your Visual Studio Code setup and be ready to explore its helpful coding features right inside your editor. I'll keep it straightforward and include a few quick tips along the way so everything goes smoothly. First, open Visual Studio Code on your computer. If you haven't launched it in a while, give it a second to load and make sure you're on a stable internet connection, since we'll be downloading an extension from the marketplace. It also never hurts to be on a recent version of VS Code, as updates can improve extension compatibility and performance. Next, look to the left sidebar, this is called the activity bar, and click the extensions icon. It looks like four little squares, one of them slightly offset. This opens the extensions view where you can browse, search, and manage everything you install. In the search bar at the top of the extensions view, type Cursor. You'll see a list of results appear. Find the one labeled Cursor AI. Take a moment to verify you've got the correct extension by checking its name and reading the short description on the right. You can also glance at the download count and ratings to confirm you're installing the widely used option. If you want extra confidence, open the details pane to see screenshots and a feature overview. This helps ensure you're getting exactly what you expect. Once you've confirmed the correct listing, click Install. Visual Studio Code will download the extension and begin the installation. You might see a progress indicator, just let it run. If your connection is slower, give it a little time. When it's done, the Install button will change to show that the extension is installed. If VS Code prompts you to restart, go ahead and allow it. Save any open files first, then let the editor reload to complete setup. If you're not prompted, you're good to go right away. Now, open a project folder or workspace where you want to use Cursor AI. With a project open, Cursor AI features become more meaningful because they can analyze your codebase and provide context-aware assistance. You'll typically notice helpful suggestions and interactions right in the editor as you work. From here, you can explore what Cursor AI offers, things like smarter completions, explanations, and refactoring queues within your normal editing flow. That's it. You've installed Cursor AI in VS Code, restarted if needed, and opened a project to start using its features. Happy coding!